Einfacher war Fensterherstellung wirklich noch nie.
With the new window set from Felder, it is now possible to produce a window with a 78mm width and a Euro groove quickly and easily, all on your spindle molder. With your common window spindle tooling, it takes more than 20 different working processes and many different setting changes. The frequent change of the tooling takes not only time, but also leads to the majority of errors, costing you money. With the new system from Felder, you only need to set the tooling up once, and in just 8 steps the working process is complete. That's right, with just one setting, you'll be able to produce a double window. This unique system makes it possible even for those attempting window manufacturing for the first time to produce high-quality windows and balcony patio doors quickly and accurately. With the planning software for single and double windows or balcony doors, which can be downloaded for free from our website, all you need to do is enter the width and height of the window, and all of the cutting measurements will be calculated automatically. In the next few minutes, you'll witness just how easy producing a double window and frame is when using the window construction set from Felder. The set consists of 14 cutter heads and 2 shims. This provides you with 7 different combinations. The spindle tools are made of solid steel and equipped with tungsten carbide blades. This ensures a long life and simple to change knife system. Pre-planned square timber must be cut exactly to size. The planning software from Felder calculates all of the required cutting dimensions. Enter the width and height of the window, and the program will list all of the cuts that need to be made. Print this out, and away we go. Make sure you mark all of the timber with the carpenter's triangle to avoid any confusion or mixing up of the workpieces. The joining of the various workpieces will be strengthened by using dowels. With the optional boring jig, it allows you to make the bore holes accurately and without mistakes. Simply place the jig on the end of the workpiece, and the depth stops guarantee the exact boring depth. The simplicity of the system makes it practically impossible to make a mistake and allows you to accurately repeat the process over and over. Quick and simple, dowel bores that are drilled to perfection. The glass beading can be cut out of the windows and the side and upper section of the frame with a narrow saw blade. This saves on material costs. The first step is the profiling of the windows. Place the combination tool in the machine and select the appropriate spindle speed. Then set the depth of the tooling by using a thin piece of wood. Whereby the deepest part of the tool sits against the wood. Set up the required height of the tool. Setting will be kept the same for all of the working processes. The tenon table on the Felder spindle molder helps give a perfect result when profiling. The eccentric clamp ensures that the workpiece stays fixed to the table. If you do not have a tenon table, then thanks to the workpiece support, you can still make safe and accurate cuts. The second step is the profiling of the window frame. The Felder miter and nick system allows you to position the fence in exactly the same position, even if it is removed from the table. Due to the position of the knives in the tool, you are assured of a fantastic finish even when making deep cuts. The third step is the inner profile of the window. Power feeder ensures that you can work safely and easily. The carpenter's triangle is set face up during each working process. All of the profiles on the inner side of the windows are now completed. These can now be glued. The window is even more stable thanks to dowel connections between the profiles. Normal C-clamps will suffice in keeping the timber compressed firmly together. There is no need to invest in a gluing press set. The fourth step is for the inner profile of the frame on the two verticals and the upper horizontal. The fifth step is the inner profile of the lower horizontal. The frame is now completed and ready to be glued. On the lower part of the frame there is space for a ledge. You can also use standard clamps to hold the frame while the glue dries. Step 6 is the profiling of the exterior of the windows, on the right hand window on all four sides and on the left. In this process you can also make an adjustment to the central groove depth between 9 and 13 mm. By pushing in a scrap piece of wood after the window frame, you reduce the chances of tear out. Simply unique, the complete outer profile is completed in one working process. seventh step is the central groove on the left-hand side of the left window. And to do this, we simply change the number 11 knife. Perfection. The windows and the frame set are now complete. Only 7 work processes were required, and there was no need to change the settings. The only thing missing now are the beadings, and even to produce these, we don't need to change any of the settings. Cut to mitre, and all is finished. With the use of the Felder table extensions, it is also possible to process larger workpieces such as balcony doors without any additional help. The Felder window construction set is the perfect tool to help produce conservatories, doors and windows in a range of designs.
Hatten Sie sich die Produktion?
Did you think that manufacturing windows could be so easy? Now you can produce all types of windows, whether single, double or triple pane, balcony doors, and the list goes on. I am certain that we now have your interest. For more information, give us a call or visit one of our showrooms. Our qualified sales and service team will be happy to provide you with any information or to arrange an appointment. We are waiting for your call.